Overall, the non-lethal weapons development program is aimed at giving our military options between talking and shooting.
The attention of the enemy to deliver propaganda or something very frightening to make the enemy run away, if you think that he will believe that what you're sending is really an angel, a devil, a UFO.
Project Bluebeam is a conspiracy theory that claims that the governments of the world are attempting to coalesce their New World Order by implementing a New Age religion with their own manufactured Messiah at its head. They plan to use a technologically simulated second coming with the use of holograms and electronic atmospheric manipulation to cause the people to accept and follow the New World religion, which has been slowly introduced through the mass media and the ecumenical movement for quite some time now. Those that pull the strings behind the scenes plan to use Project Bluebeam to unify all the world religions under one new system. Project Bluebeam has been laid out into 4 big steps and how it's going to work. Step 1 is the breakdown of all archaeological knowledge. This will apparently be accomplished by faking earthquakes at precise locations around the planet. These locations will reveal fake discoveries to convince humanity that these new discoveries expose the error of all their fundamental religious doctrine. Step 2 involves a gigantic space show wherein 3-dimensional laser projections and holograms will be beamed all across the planet. These images will take the shape of whatever deity is most predominant and will speak in all different languages. At the end of this light show, the gods will all merge into one, the new Messiah. People will think this is their God and will discard their former religious beliefs. Step 3 involves the use of extreme low-frequency radio waves to make people think their God is speaking to them through telepathy. And finally, in step 4, complete chaos will break out. And after that brief time of trouble, people will finally be willing, perhaps even desperate, to accept the New World Order that its Messiah will strongly push for. It is the goal of the unseen powers behind this Project Bluebeam to use cunning deception rather than brute force used by the kings of old to try to unite the nations of the world under one banner. The architects behind Project Bluebeam would theoretically use any means available to them to convince us that we are being visited by higher powers. Whether they would use video edited with special effects software, projected holograms, actual top secret aircraft, or any combination of these things, the aim would still be the same: to convince us that it's real.